Welcome to our channel PD Codenet. Hello everyone. Today I will show you how can you retrieve your forgotten Wi-Fi password that is already saved in your PC. So I am now currently using Windows 11 and connected to one Wi-Fi. Let's see, this is my Wi-Fi room, and imagine that I have already forgotten the password. I am currently connected to that Wi-Fi using the saved password. So, but Windows 11 have some easiest way to retrieve your set password. So, if I click on this properties icon, then I click the view Wi-Fi security key button, then I can easily see my set password that is used to connected to this Wi-Fi. This is one way. You can do this in another way also. And notice that here we have got other kinds of information also, our SSID name or Wi-Fi version or Wi-Fi IEEE standard version and the encryption method, and also the name of my Wi-Fi wireless LAN card along with this standard and supported version and driver version also. So what is the another way? Then we need to go to the network properties from my Windows 11 PC, then go to the change adapter setting. Then right click on the Wi-Fi status. Then if I go to the wireless properties and the security, then show characters. Then I can retrieve my saved password. This is the second way. And there is another way. So another way that will be the easiest way, but you need to memorize one command. Go to run, pressing Windows and R button simultaneously, then type ncpa.cpl. Press enter. Then I can directly go to the network adapter option. Then here, after right clicking and selecting the properties option, sorry, not properties option, it will be the status option. I need to go. Then I need to go to the wireless properties option, then the security tab, then show characters. Here we can retrieve our password in the same way. Hope I have given a brief overview of how can you retrieve your saved Wi-Fi password. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.